Yes, guys, we come back. Now 8 system is added. Where we reach it, we are in third page, right? In third page. 8 system we already added. Now, again, I'm adding the firefighting system almost is done, right or wrong. We added smoke. Heat detector we added, right? MCP added. Sound or not? CO2, DP done. Pump we added, hostel done. So almost 12 system here already. This add. So we have to add now sounder. Fire alarm sounder. Someday it will be sounder, someday it will be alarm bell. So the case of bell, you can select here unit alarm bell. Okay. Here the case unit alarm sound. You can scroll down. The brand is the Ravel. Right or wrong? It's not India. Actually, it's origin from India, but here in United Emirates. Okay. So how many bell is there? 17. Type maintenance. We are doing the maintenance here. Okay. So what else? Emergency light, right? We have the emergency wants to be added. Almost 9 system and breaching inlet also is pending. So I'm selecting breaching inlet where we can find the breaching inlet. You can find these two options only. We have fire alarm system, firefighting. This all the emergencies came automatically in the detection system. Fire pump, extinguisher, foam, everything in the firefighting system. So your breaching inlet you can find here. Yes, this will be the breaching inlet. Point water supply, link, civil defense, 2-way. There's 2-way, 4-way. Here the case is 2-way. You have to know. Sometimes it will not. We're selling the breaching inlet. It will not show the breaching inlet. You have to derive it from what existing documents is there in the system. As I told you, we are translating some English to Arabic. That's why. Okay. One breaching inlet only. Maintenance state submit. Now we are pending only emergency, right? These two we have pending. So emergency, which type is there? Emergency, which type? Which is conventional type. Or self-contained, right? Self-contained emergency. Battery operated. Right or wrong? Okay. So we can exit also the same. So we can see it will be in detection and fire alarm system. These two systems only available in the site. Okay. You can get, see here, from the detection system, the subsystem, emergency light system. See here? Here, self-powered emergency light system. Okay, that will select. Self-powered emergency light system. How many emergency? Yes, 54. What is the brand? I hope it will be this one, secure. Secure, again, it is Ravel, Alran. Safe and secure, the name is Alran. Or you can mention here secure. If you show the secure, mention the secure. Okay. This all will be the same. Sorry? The option. No, too much is it is monitoring type, it is addressable. Here the case default in the conventional system, we are selecting that one. Remember. Here see emergency entity, it is for the addressable system. Here we selecting only the battery operated. And exit also like that. Lighting emergency exit self-powered battery. That we're selecting here. The case of conversion, remember that. Again, secure, right? Yes. How many? 12. So this is a legal contract, by the way. Legal contract we are making in between the Shirkatul Ittifa, the firefighting company, and the owner of the premises. Landlord of the premises, we are making the legal contract. Okay, at least this one. We can select the fire pump also. Fire pump control system is there. Then which one we can select here? This is positive displacement pump. Electric pump assembly, horizontal, linear pump assembly. This already we selected. That we can select. This will cover all the control system. See, positive displacement pump assembly. We can select in general. Okay. We selecting this one. Positive displacement pump assembly. Assembly, it means what? It's including both. Both means what? Electrical and diesel. Right or wrong? Right. Only one quantity here available. Maintenance. So fire pump part we selected. Controller part also selected. What happened here? Something issue. In this case, we have read it. It will be technical error sometime. Okay. So that's it. All the equipments were is ready. System and equipments we finished. Now we are moving the final part. We are going to submit now. You have to attach here what? You have to attach. No, it is all the complete documents. So this will be the merged documents. Just scroll it again, ensure that all the thing is there. Yeah. It should be in the PDF format. You have to complete one attachment. So, khalas, we are just again just reviewing for all the applications once again. This is the first page. All the names should be in Arabic. Okay. This owner name, it should be in Arabic. Address in detail, it should be in Arabic. You have to derive it. You have to derive such of what it means in address in details. It's nothing but to mention that it is, yeah, what kind of activity it is. For example, the building or warehouses, what it is, what kind of building it is. This all wants to be mentioned. This. So here the case G+3 building. So that's why G+3 building plus mahallat plus shops also there. So that's it. The amount of the contract value and the date of issue on all the thing is mentioned is submitted. The second page will be the owner details. This already we added. System and equipments again. All we added. Just cross check it. Secure documented. We already attached it. Where is attachment? Please note that signed contract. We didn't attachment. See here, it will be repeated. Maybe we can change this one attachment here. Just changing it to 6937. Maybe hash will not. Done with that. That is done. Then submission. Plus submission fee, yeah. Then pay the fees. How well? You have to pay the fees. By online itself, you can pay the fees. Either you can share the link or use by the card method. This will be 151.07. This is the government fees. Okay. Done. So that's it. We're done. So print it means receipt. We can print it. We can share it to the owner itself. Then I'm just going back to the application itself. For what? For sure, this contract, this will be reviewed. Now the application is new. Civil Defense, the auditors will review this one. Then we can go for the UAE pass signature procedure. Only that time it will be valid. So that we can discuss after that. Okay. After the reviews happen from the authority, we can see the later how to do the UAE pass procedure, how to register. This already I made one video. You can refer that one. Link will be put in the description. So that's it. So hope you guys understand this one very well. It's very crystal clarity. I already explained. You can refer this video all the time. So for the reference. So that's it. So you have any suggestion, anything you can put on the comment. Thank you. Thank you so much.